Listen up, clothing brands. Are you tired of slow production times, poor quality, and manufacturers who don't deliver when they say they will? I'm Lancy, and TrueKung is the answer. If you want speed, quality, and a partner who moves at your pace, keep watching. 18 years. That's how long I've been in this game. 18 years of experience in building brands and manufacturing solutions. At TrueKung, we don't just make clothes, we make your brand succeed. We've got 80,000 square meters of production space and over 50 experts making sure every product is perfect. Our team works non-stop to bring you high-quality woven products that match your brand's vision. We don't waste time. We move fast. Need blouses, jackets, or pants? We got you. From the moment you send us your designs, we jump on it. 7-day proofing, fast production times, and no delays. Let me tell you how fast we move. Samples in 5 to 10 days. Production lead time, 7 to 40 days. Depends on your order size. We also have overseas warehouses to ensure your products get to market quickly. Now, let's talk quality. We check every detail, every garment, from the fabric inspection to the final product. If it's not perfect, we don't ship it. Your customers expect the best, and that's what we give them. I've been doing this for 18 years, and I know what works. You need a manufacturer who can handle both small orders and mass production without dropping the ball on quality. We do both, and we do it fast. We don't just deliver garments, we deliver speed, quality, and reliability. If you need it fast, we're on it. If you need it perfect, we've got it covered. TrueKung has been a total game changer for us. Fast, reliable, and always on point with the quality. We trust them with every collection. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Visit TrueKung.com now and let's create something amazing. Speed, quality, reliability. That's TrueKung.